This is how I feminize my face with makeup, part 5. If umabot ka dito, dear, I just wanna say, I love you. This part, we're gonna talk about lips na inaabangan ng lahat kung how I do my lips and how I make it plumpiana. Choosing the right lip liner is very important. For me, I love to use like a very MLBB shades. I stopped using brown lip liner na, pero if you want to do like a Latina makeup, yun ang gamitin mo. But since you want to do like a very feminine type of lips, this is what I love. One lip liner is from Swede Makeup. This is, I don't know if this is available here in Philippines, but dear, this shade, period. And the second one is from MAC. This is in the shade Whirl. This one talaga, MLBB. Very important part to make your face more feminine is to have a fuller lip. And that's why I love overlining my lips so much, mga dear. Like, OA. My process is hindi ako gumagawa ng parang Cupid's bow. I kind of delete my Cupid's bow actually. So, mas gusto ko yung parang mas circular shape. Gets ba? And this is what I mean na mas rounder shape. Yeah. For my lips, I love using a MLBB shade as much as possible also to look like parang natural lips niyo po yan. Check. The Maybelline Teddy Tint in the shade Cool Grunge. It has like a very like pinkish tone. And put a gloss or anything that you want, do it. But for me, I'm happy now with this one. Okay, now we're done with our makeup. Last step is the setting spray. You can use anything that you want. Di kita pinipigilan. Check. But I'm gonna finish everything. I'm gonna do a final touch-up and I'll be right back. This is the final look. I just pop on some wig, as you can see. And I kinda remove the cluster na para medyo fresh at babaihan. It's optional. Whatever na mag-work sa'yo, you do it. And if you want to learn more, let me know para we can talk about it. Check. And yeah, what do you guys think? Sobrang Latina! Check. Yun lang. Bye! Mwah!